Hello, my people. My name is Jide. Today, I want to talk about what you can start doing as a small business to become more competitive in your market. Okay, big businesses don't only make money; they also cut expense. Big businesses don't always make sales or increase their revenue. While they increase their revenue, they also find ways to cut costs. They also find ways to limit their operational costs as much as possible because they've come to realize that the revenue they make would not do much if they don't cut their expense. So they have found a way to make sure that their revenue is much more higher than their expense. Okay, that's why some from time to time company downsize. Okay, they downsize, they sack people to reduce their overhead cost. Okay, and as a small business owner, you need to learn something, okay, about that. You need to apply that in your business to find a way to cut costs. That while you want to make more money, you want to make more sales, are you also cutting down your expense? No matter how much effort you put in sales, once you are not constantly cutting your cost, you will find out that you are not breaking even. So what's the essence of of being a business, of investing your time, investing your money, and at the same time you are not making sales? So today now I want to talk about that, having that mindset as a small business owner, to make sure to always look for opportunity to cut costs as much as possible. Okay, having an operational efficiency advantage over another business can make you competitive. Okay, it's a leverage. If you have a way of cutting your supply chain cost, okay, more than another business, it can give you a leverage. Okay, so for example, if you are going into a market, you are starting a business, and you've done your research and you found out that it's profitable, one thing that you must also consider is that there are people already in the business who are your competitors. Any market that is worthwhile investing in will also have a competitor. Now, if you are going into a market that has a competitor, what is your own competitive advantage? It's not about just starting a business. It's not just about uh, putting your products and services on the social media. What is your competitive advantage? Okay, do you have operational efficiency? Okay, do you have a reduced lead time? For example, if you are in production, for maybe your competitors, it takes them 2 weeks, okay, to produce a certain customer order. You that is coming to the market, what will be your own advantage? Will your own lead time be just 2 days? If you are coming into a market where there are competition, are you coming with a reduced price? What is your mafia offer for your customer? So as a small business, it's not that you just start a business selling products online, selling self-services. You must constantly ask yourself, what are the mafia offers that I'm giving my customer? What is going to be my unique selling proposition? Okay, so one unique selling proposition that you can never miss, that you can never go wrong as a small business owner, is having ability to cut your cost. So that's what my video is about today. Look for a way to sell cheaper at the same quality to your customer. Now, the story is trending of how earpiece, okay, came into the market with force, London, Nigeria route, and slash the cost, slash transportation cost, okay, significantly, okay, making other airlines to start doing the same. So earpiece came to the market, offered the same value at a reduced cost. So they came with the market with a strategy, with a unique selling proposition. Okay, they came to the market to give the people an offer they cannot resist. So to me, it looks like a mafia offer. Now talking about your business, whether you're in production, on you are whatever business you are in, so you must look into how you can cut cost, how you can make sure that your customer is getting something unique they find difficult to get in another place. Okay, so as the world is advancing, the thinking is also advancing. The way we do things is also changing. So if you're a business and you're looking to be competitive, now you are not only going to be competing with the people, with other business people in your locality, you are also competing with business people in other places all over the world. While social media has given us platform, okay, to showcase our business to the world, it has also exposed us to a global competition. So if you're in Ilorin, Nigeria, okay, as a fish seller, okay, or as a shoe seller, mind you are not only competing with a fish seller or a food or a shoe seller in a lorry, you are competing with a fish seller, okay, in China. You are competing with a shoe seller in UK. So that means that you cannot afford to do business, okay, the way you used to do it before the advent of social media. Now there's a new way of doing business. There's a new way of marketing. There's a new way of, okay, of making your product and services of, or there's a new way of offering your products and services, okay, to your potential customer, because your potential customer are not just people on ground where you are, but they are people online globally. That's why it said act locally while you think globally. So act locally while you think globally. So that I'm leaving you with that today. Okay, if you like my video, please do share and like my video. My name is Jide. I run Multiplus Logistics. What we do is to help customers, help clients and individuals and businesses to ship their items from Nigeria to Canada, from Canada to Nigeria. So if you're looking at exporting your product and you need a cargo service, a free forwarder, we are well suited to help you and connect you, okay, to the best options that is suitable, personalized to your business need. Okay, a trial will convince you. Thank you. Bye bye.